Hello, this is Michael Beck. Welcome to another Golden Insights. Today we're outside of the office, giving all the plants a little bit of a refresh before we start heading into winter. I'm gonna take my pothos here. It's been doing so well in this tiny little 1 gallon pot, but it's drying out too quick. It seems like it could use a little bit of love. So we're gonna put it in just a slightly bigger pot with our Royal Gold Kings mix. It's got a light fertilizer charge that this pothos is gonna love. We're gonna knock some of the dead kind of old beet dirt off around the roots, get it into a fresh pot that's not a whole lot bigger with the fresh soil, and give it a fresh lease on life. You can see how root bound that is. Roots are starting to get a little brown and funky, moving away from that nice fresh white. We're just gonna fluff these roots up a little bit. All right, so there you have it. We gave it just about a gallon of fresh soil into this new pot, which isn't really a whole lot. We're gonna kind of restructure these wrapped around vines back around the pot to keep it nice and compact. And we're gonna have a happy pothos. Thanks for watching another Golden Insights.